Hi guys, maayong adlaw sa tanan, maayong gabi, maayong udto, maayong buntag sa tanan. Welcome to my vlog. Manihapon tanin niyo. Ang ulam ko today is egg and liver adobo by Chef Ading. Mo ni man panihapon karon guys. So nagbutang tadihan nagkanang kanon. So, maraming salamat. Gusto ko lang mag-shout out yung 20 na bisita ko during my live kahapon. Maraming salamat sa 20 panauhin. Shout out and maraming salamat po kay Ma'am FDR Family Channel. Thank you so much. And Lola Minerves Day. Maraming salamat Lola, and kay Ma'am Eileen the Explorer. And of course, our friend Shirley Hatten, thank you so much for always supporting my channel every time na ako'y live. Akong silingan dihan sa Tapis at Timimi channel. Daghang salamat. And of course, Mr. Art Lee Mex, thank you so much boss. And Ate Ima TV from Dubai, thank you so much. Ma'am Music and etc. Vlog, and of course it's Boss Idskarski o Idskarski G Live. Daghang salamat, thank you so much. And of course Kuya Michael 47 Vlogs, daghang salamat Kuya Michael. And Lola Marifi Manangan, maraming salamat. GNBC Gitala channel, daghang salamat, mega love shout out. And to Ma'am Yonora Baltazar, and of course our friends from Qatar, Ma'am Veronica Wangari, and of course ang ato ang kanang supportive kaayo na Ate Lia and Kuya Pogi, the Forever Youngs. Daghang salamat sa perminting suporta. And to Ma'am Ditsay Vlog, daghang salamat mga unta ninyo. And Boss Jazz Cooking YT, maraming salamat. And kay Ma'am Weng Almazan, thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. Kain po tayo guys. And to Bro Rinaldo Siles, daghan jud kayong salamat bro sa imuhang suporta. And mega love shout out diha kay Cole Kwe LMA TV Vlog, daghan kayong salamat Cole sa pagbisita sa akong live call. Daghan kayong salamat sa inyo ha, manihapon taninyo mga untan nyo tanan diha. Og diri na lang taman ang ako ang vlog for today, for tonight. Daghan nyo kayong salamat sa inyong tanan og thank you for watching. Bye guys.